Hi Micafam, Myra here for today's video. Very excited akong i-share to sa inyo guys kasi just a couple of days ago, nakapag-avail po ako ng free health insurance. Guys, free health insurance. May free pa bang ngayon, Ate Myra? Yes, meron talaga. And kung interested kayo malaman paano nga ba ito, please keep on watching. Guys, disclaimer lang, ito ay para sa Globe users only. Kaya kung hindi ka Globe user, maybe this video may not be for you. Kung Globe user ka, malamang familiar ka dun sa Globe Rewards points, 'di ba? Ano ba 'yun? Pero itong Globe Rewards points na earn natin tuwing tayo ay nagpapaload dun sa ating Globe number. Nagpapaload tayo, nadadagdagan lang yung points. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Globe Rewards points, pwede actually natin tong gamitin para makapag-avail ng free load. Depende po sa Globe Rewards points mo at sa points na kailangan to avail a certain load for free. Pero aside from availing free load, gamit lang yung inyong Globe Rewards points, pwede rin tayong makapag-avail ng free health insurance at yun yung pinaka-gusto kong i-share sa video na to. But first, bago natin gawin yan, syempre, kailangan, very important guys, na kailangan, paulit-ulit, kailangan po mag-install tayo ng Globe Rewards points para makita natin kung magkano na yung points na na-earn natin. And at the same time, kasi sa Globe Rewards app po natin gagawin yung pag-avail ng free health insurance. Don't worry, step by step kung gagawin yan. Sa disclaimer lang, ito ay for short term only. Okay? Huwag kayong magdepende sa health insurance lang na ito kasi syempre dahil free, malamang maliit lang din yung coverage. Pero kahit na ganun, I think this is still very, very helpful. Kasi yung emergency, hindi natin alam kung kailan darating. But anyway, ang daming chika, Ate Myra. Let's get into the video. So guys, download lang natin yung Globe Rewards app. After nyan, mag-register tayo gamit yung ating Globe phone number. Meron pong isasend na OTP. And then after that, meron lang tayong i-fill out na konting form about us like name, address, and email, and so on. After nyan, meron na tayong Globe Rewards na account. So ito na yung itsura ng app guys. Meron tayong total of 47 Globe Rewards points. And itong points na to, pwede natin gamitin to avail health insurance. Guys, I can't wait to share it with you. Kaya itap po natin itong redeem now. Nakikita natin dito tatlong options for us. Number 1, itong GCash insurance. Kailangan lamang po ng 39 points dito. Pasok na pasok tayo dito since we have 47 points. Pangalawa, itong 1,000 pesos na health insurance. Kailangan lamang ng 20 points. And lastly, itong 4,000 pesos na health insurance, kailangan po natin ng 55 points dito. Unfortunately, hindi aabot yung points natin dito, guys. So, either itong GCash insurance worth 39 points or itong 1,000 pesos na health insurance worth 20 points lang yung pwede natin ma-avail. Pero, check muna natin yung details. So guys, pag-usapan muna natin itong GCash insurance worth 39 pesos. Ano ba yung coverage nito? Merong life insurance coverage up to 25,000 pesos. Meron ding personal accident coverage of 25,000 pesos. Plus, meron pang hospital allowance coverage of 750 pesos na valid po for 1 year. Pero ito, 39 points na to guys, pwede lamang natin gamitin for the first month premium. Ibig sabihin, for the succeeding months, magbabayad po tayo ng 39 pesos per month na i-charge po sa ating GCash account. So, make sure na meron pong enough na funds yung ating GCash para ma-avoid po natin yung cancellation ng ating in-avail na insurance. Okay? Pero, ibig sabihin nito guys, free po yung first month po nitong ating GCash insurance. The next few months, until 1 year, ayan, magbabayad po tayo ng 39 pesos per month. Alright? Now guys, verified GCash users lamang po yung pwede dito from 18 to 64 years old. Okay? And guys, take note ha, kung meron kang Insure Me enrollments, hindi ka na pwede makapag-avail nito kasi valid lamang po ito para sa mga wala pong active Insure Me enrollments at the time of availment. And this is valid from January 1 to December 31, 2021. So, this is quite interesting guys, ano? Pero check natin yung pangalawa. Ito naman, 1,000 pesos health insurance and 20 points lamang yung kailangan dito. So, ano nga ba yung inclusion or coverage nito? Sabi dito, merong 1,000 pesos na health coverage provided by Pacific Cross. Tapos, meron pang free na 24/7 teleconsult services via Consulta MD sa loob po ng 3 months. So, 3 months po yung validity nitong ating health insurance worth 1,000 pesos for only 20 points, guys. And ito valid from November 24, 2020 to November 23, 2021. And maximum of 4 subscriptions po yung allowed dito. So guys, as you can see, tayo po ay merong 47 points ngayon. If gusto kong mag-avail nito, pwede tayong maka-avail ng up to 2 subscriptions kasi 20 points yung kailangan to avail this, guys. Kaya naman 55 points yung kailangan, pero 4,000 pesos na yung health insurance nito. So yung kaibahan nito with the 1,000 health insurance is yung amount lang. Okay? Yung kanina 1,000 pesos lang yung coverage nun, dito naman 4,000 pesos yung coverage. And the same thing for subscriptions din yung allowed dito. Unfortunately, dahil 55 points, hindi natin siya ma-avail. So, yung ma-avail lang natin itong 20 points. So, try natin, guys. Gusto kong i-avail itong 20 points na 1,000 pesos health insurance. Tap lang natin tong next. Itong redeem now. Got it? So, ayan, nakapag-redeem na tayo ng ating Go Health 20. 20 points lang yung ginamit. Basically, wala talaga tayong ginastos to avail yung 1,000 pesos na health insurance coverage. Guys, makaka-receive din tayo ng text message from 8080 with a voucher code po. As you can see dito, meron po tayong voucher. Gamitin daw natin itong code na to sa website ni Pacific Cross para ma-claim po natin. Itong code na to ay valid until January 23, 2022. So, take note ko lang itong code and then punta tayo sa website. Ayan guys, click ko lang po yung link and then madadirect po tayo dito. Lagay lang natin dito guys yung ating voucher code kanina. And then tap proceed. Alright, so guys, as you can see, fill out lang natin daw yung required fields below. So, ayan na yung reference number. Yung plan po is Go Health 20. Are you activating for below 18 years old individual? Of course not. So, wag na nating pakialaman yan. Lagay lang natin dito yung last name, first name, and then yung middle name po natin. And then date of birth, birthplace, and then yung address po natin. Ayan. Beneficiary's last name, first name, tapos relationship po natin sa beneficiary na to. And then tap lang natin yan, and then submit once you're done. So, gawin ko lang to guys. I will be back. And guys, successful registration po. Please check your email for your e-policy. And guys, naka-receive na rin tayo ng email from Pacific Cross. Tap natin yan. And ito na yung ating e-policy. Maximum benefit limit of 1,000 pesos. Kahit na 1,000 pesos yan, imagine na-avail natin siya for free gamit lang yung ating Globe Rewards points. As in, sobrang sulit talaga. Alright? So, ito yung ating benefits, guys. And then, terms and conditions. And ito din yung ating claims reimbursement checklist. If, for example, nagkaroon ng emergency due to accident, ito pwede nating gamitin. So, paano nga ba? Siyempre, kailangan mo pumunta din sa hospital kung saan accredited po si Pacific Cross. Then after that, pay ka lang ng hospital bills, doctor fees, and other hospital charges. And after nyan, mag-secure ka lang lahat ng requirements na nakalista po dun sa NOC form or Notification of Claim form. And mag-file ka lang po ng reimbursement with Pacific Cross. Paano nga ba mag-submit ng claim with Pacific Cross? Mag-submit ng completely filled out notification of claim form along with the complete required documents to Pacific Cross via email po. That's claims@pacificcross.com.ph or pwede ka na rin mag-send sa mismong address nila. Pacific Cross, care of Customer Service Department, Pacific Cross Center, 8000 Makati Avenue, Makati City. Guys, take note ha na yung pag-submit po natin ng documents ay hindi po guaranteed approval ng ating claim. Kasi i-review pa nila yan, i-evaluate based sa available documents na submit po natin. Okay? And guys, take note na kapag yung documents mo ay clear and complete, tapos yung request mo po for reimbursement is valid, Pacific Cross po will process the claim within 10 to 14 working days from the receipt of documents. And Pacific Cross will credit the reimbursement to your GCash account or chosen mode of payment. So, syempre, GCash na tayo, diba? Bakit pa tayo lalayo? So, anyway, guys, sana nakatulong kahit paano itong video na ito sa inyo. Very helpful talaga magkaroon ng health insurance. How much more if we are able to avail this for free, diba? So, guys, kung meron kang Globe Rewards points and kaya namang ma-avail ito, then take advantage nyo. Sayang din naman, free pa naman ito. Okay? Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye for now.